Hi, welcome to Mark's Basement Arcade. Today we are going to be working on this honey, stripping the playfield down. It's going to be kind of boring watching me, so this is going to be speeded up. So let's get going. Gotta get the camera out so I can take pictures of everything so I know how it all goes back together when we're done. Alright, this piece right here, it has two screws on from underneath, so that one I'll get later on. But as you can see, whole playfield's all completely stripped down, except for these. This will be in a pop-up video when I do that. And this piece, once I flip it over, I'll take that off. What I like to do is I like to clean these off really good, and then just throw a little bit of polish, mother's polish on them, just to get them real nice and smooth, so when that ball gets kicked out, it comes out real nice and smooth. Sometimes, right now this one's a little rough. I'm afraid that roughness is just extra wear on a ball, where the ball is going to wear a little faster since this is rough. So I polish it out. I don't think you need to do that. It's something I do. I polish them. Anyways, that's about it of the tear. Oh, we got this. Forgot about that. Gotta take this off. So that's basically it of the tear down of the playfield. Now we'll do our usual. We'll rebuild the slingshots. We're going to rebuild this assembly, put a new coil in it. Rebuild this pop-up, new coil in it, new coil, well, not new coil sleeves. We'll go in all them. All these switches will be readjusted and cleaned. These are going to be next. And that's about it for the playfield. So, gives us a thumbs up, like and subscribe to us. Follow us on Facebook at Mark's Basement Arcade. And take care. Later.